Well, it got well below zero last night, so we're going to do another cold start on the 41M. Again, we have a 12 volt conversion with an alternator kit from Charlie's Repair that fits beautifully under the hood. Hitachi alternator that charges just off of idle. I also have an Optima 6-pack battery in it and a Pertronix ignition. Couple of things to note with starting your tractor cold: it's important to hold the clutch down. I've got mine blocked down, especially when it's this cold. The hydraulic system and the gears in the transmission are quite the load with really cold gear oil. So with that, like I said, it is currently 8 below zero. It was down to 11 below last night, and judging by the frost that's formed on the roof in here, we've got a lot of humidity. So we'll see if it'll start. To give you an idea how much load my hydraulic system and the gears in the transmission put on this engine when it's this cold, I'm going to take the block out of the clutch here and see if it'll keep running, pulling all that load. Well, I don't know if she's ready. See, that's a lot of load on there. See if we can get it running a little faster. That is a heck of a load on that engine. We're still on full choke. We got the load of the power steering pump always on. My hydraulic system. Got a PTO pump in the belly. You got all the gears in the transmission that are turning when you let that clutch out. See if we can back off the choke here a little bit. Not quite yet. I'll push the clutch in and show you how much it's loading down. See how nice it runs without pulling the hydraulics in the transmission. Well, they're not ready to back off the choke yet. Well, till next time.